Hi everyone, it's Matthew again, and today is 15th of March 2025. So this is our second strategy for today. Make sure you subscribe to all our channels. Like I said in the first video, we've been doing this since 2012. For those who have been following us, you can check some of our old videos on the other channels. You will see some of our videos. We watched. You can see we made a profit right there. The trade has closed right there. So all you have to do is to hit the subscribe button to support all our channels. We've been giving away free strategies, free bots, free Forex bots from the onset. If you haven't subscribed to all our channels, it's the best time to subscribe. So here we're going to be trading the Volatility 25 index, and we are using one indicator, which is the Aaron indicator. And I'm just waiting for the green to go right off, fix up right there. So once you log into your trading account, so the green is up, is right above it, and where the top one is down. So the green is still facing down. Okay, both are facing up. You can see you can see when I clicked on that touch there, because both has to be facing up. So we want that trade as well. You can see right there. So once you log in, go to the indicator, go to trend, click on Aaron indicator. Once you do that, make sure you're on the Volatility 25 index, click on it, go to the trade type, click on touch no touch, and set the minutes to 4 minutes. Set the barrier to minus 0.276, minus 0.276. So we're going to be watching the Aaron indicator. Once this is up and the green is right above the red, and the green is also facing up, this must be facing up and it must be going up. The green too must be right above the red, and it must also be facing up. That's when you click on touch. You can see this is facing up, but the green is right below the red. So you have to watch. You have to watch carefully. We already won 2 trades right there. You can see it's working. So the green is right above the red, but the green is not facing up. So the top is facing up, the green is facing down, the top is facing up. The green must also face up. Don't forget. Oh, both are facing up. You can see right there, both are facing up. So I click on touch right there. So let's wait for the outcome of that trade. Is the time count right there? So we're in profit already. So you can sell, but you don't have to sell because we're gonna win regardless. So you can see we already won that trade right there. So you can go on and on and on. These strategies are 100% guaranteed. You can win using this strategy. So for those who haven't purchased our bots, there's a bot right there. The Toskepa bot is 9.99 USD. The Super bot as well. Check the video description. They are both automated and they work on the Deriv platform. We also gave away the free ebook when you order any of our bots. You get the free ebooks. You also get some free Forex bot as well, and some free binary options bot. So don't forget to subscribe to all our channels. And for those who haven't gotten the free indicator, we're still giving it away for free. It works on Deriv MT5 and other Forex broker platform. You can use it to trade Forex, EU, USD, USD, CHF, all Forex pairs. You can use it to trade your volatility index. You can see I'm currently using this right now. I'm online, so some trades are in profit, some are in loss, but I have to stay online. They're still going to hit profit regardless. So once they hit profit, I'm going to be closing them manually. So you can see how this indicator works. It's not a cloud-based indicator. You just need to attach it to any chart. You can see it on V10, 25, 50, USD. The Forex market is closed right now, but I'm trading the volatility. So once it shows the light blue, you buy. Once it shows this, you sell. So if you check the trends, this is sell. You can see it goes all the way down, all the way down. This buy there is goes up a little. So that's how it works. You can see the buy signal here. It went up, sell goes down. So you can set your TP and your XL once you click on buy or sell immediately, so that you can close the trade. for you when you're not online, but because I'm online, I want to be closing the trades manually. So to get this bot, this indicator, all you have to do is to check the video description, sign up for a free trading account using this link, subscribe to all these channels in the video description, send an email to this Gmail address with the subject free indicator and the last 3 digits of the account that you just sign up for. Once we confirm your account, we send the indicator to you for free. For those who already have an account, you can order the indicator for $12 there. That's a link right there. And for those who haven't purchased our Pip Stripper board, the touch scraper board, those are the links. There's a Pip Stripper board link, there's a touch scraper board link. And for those who don't have a trading account, there's a link to sign up for a free trading account. And those are the links to subscribe to all our channels. So I'm going to see you guys next time. You can check other infos in the video description on YouTube. See you guys next time. Thanks for watching.